My name is Sheri Mathis. I am president and a founding member of the Mammogram Poster Girls, an all-volunteer nonprofit organization whose primary focus is the early detection of breast cancer. We raise money for mammograms, educate patients, and create programs to provide free mammograms for under and uninsured patients throughout North Texas. Founded in 2018, the primary mission of the Mammogram Poster Girls is to remove barriers to access to life-saving mammograms. We are saving lives, one mammogram at a time. I am a two-time breast cancer survivor, one of 4 sisters, all of whom are breast cancer survivors. We don't share the big bad BRCA genes or other genetics. Mom never had it, and we don't have much of a family history, other than the sisters, of breast cancer. We were each diagnosed via our screening mammogram, so I nicknamed us the Poster Girls for mammograms. I consider us to be the lucky ones. We each had the education and resources to have access to those life-saving mammograms. But what I found out during my treatments was that not everyone is quite so lucky. Lacking education or funds or transportation or convenient access, many of the breast cancer patients I met had delayed their screening mammograms, sometimes with devastating results and late-stage diagnoses. Everyone knows that early detection is key to a good outcome. It can literally save your life. Hearing those women's stories absolutely broke my heart, and inspired by their experiences, I made it my mission to help others, to create an army of poster girls for mammograms. My goal is to help save lives, one mammogram at a time, and in 2018, encouraged and supported by my amazing family and friends, we created the Mammogram Poster Girls to help fulfill that mission. This milestone, as is every milestone, significant because it means we have given over 2,300 women access to mammograms and in some cases may have saved their lives. Breast cancer affects not only the women but their partners, children, family, and friends as well. We are giving mothers, daughters, sisters, and friends access to life-saving preventative health care. During this Women's History Month, I am honored to continue the work of the many women who have come before me. Women who created breast cancer awareness programs and better access to breast cancer screening. I would like to take this opportunity to celebrate survival, strength, and resilience. Mine, my sisters, and so many others. I celebrate the contributions of women throughout history, from groundbreaking scientists to everyday heroes, and the small part I am able to play in that legacy. My hope is the Mammogram Poster Girls' continued efforts to raise awareness and funds for the early detection of breast cancer will inspire others to take action. To quote Robin Roberts, make your mess your message. As someone who has gone through the challenges of breast cancer, this phrase galvanized me. Rather than focusing on the difficulties, I've tried to use adversity, my struggles, and personal hardships as a source of strength and resilience, and hopefully inspiration for others, and am using my energies to pay it forward. Man plans, God laughs. Everyone has something. A challenge, a setback, a health issue, a struggle. My advice is to take your experience and turn your energies outward and forward for good. Volunteer, problem solve, fix something. Remove the roadblocks you encountered so that they do not block someone else. A good friend once said, if you see something, get off your bum and do something. I found that in the doing, I create more positive outcomes for others and myself. We are always working to create more opportunities to help women. We are continually expanding our outreach, building partnerships to support our mission, and forming alliances to help us break down the barriers to access to those life-saving mammograms. I'm really excited about the expansion of our 2 for Tuesday, Get a Mammogram, Get a Meal program, allowing us to reach more medically underserved areas. With generous foundation support, we are exploring opportunities to help women in small towns and rural areas where access to health care can be a real challenge. The Mammogram Poster Girls are developing alliances with more mobile mammography providers to address the gaps in hospital service areas, and we are building collaborations with other breast cancer nonprofits. Together, we can save more lives, one mammogram at a time. That army of mammogram poster girls I dreamed of continues to grow bigger and stronger.